Namaste. Today I am with Mrs. Elizabeth from Germany. Actually, she is there at Anandkunj since last 21 days, and she did 18 days of fasting at this place. So, first of all, I would like to know why you choose to practice urine therapy and how did you come to know about this center?
Because I know that the urine is while you are fasting is nourishing the body at the same time, so you don't go on starvation mode. You go you nourish your system.
Yeah.
Because everything is inside the urine, like the minerals and the stem cells and everything is inside the urine. So if you take your own urine is your own medicine because it's being produced by your own body, so the body recognizes this as its own and it can reabsorb what it needs while you are fasting.
Yes. So, in India, what we think is Germany is an advanced country. There is so much of advancement in medical world also. So, leaving that, you came down to India. How do you came to know about Anandkunj?
Yes, I mean, there is advanced medicine in my country, but the disease of the long term, like people, when they have acute things like broken bones or something, they can fix it very well. Surgery is very perfect. But when you have problems with your system, digestive system, and all of that, there is not really a cure in the medical system for it. They give you medication, allopathic medicine that suppresses your symptoms but doesn't heal what need to be healed. And the only way to heal the body, from my opinion, is to detox the body. So I understood that, and what made me come to Anandkunj is that's the only place where you can do the fasting in a a stationary place where you can stay, take your time, rest, and come down from the hectic of the modern life and the stress. So it is for me easier to do this in a center like this than doing it by myself alone at home.
Yes. So, before this, have you ever practiced fasting?
Yes, I've practiced fasting years ago.
Yeah.
A couple of years I did not fast, but before
So, how many days of fasting you did earlier?
I didn't never do 18 days. I went for 1 week or 10 days maximum.
Yes. So, how was the experience? 18 days experience, people would like to know about.
Yeah, the 18 days was very fine. I checked in with my body all the time, and the body is a little bit more tired, so that is why you can take more sleep during daytime maybe. But and so there's no problem for the body. There's absolutely no problem.
So, how much was the weight when you came here?
My weight was like 76.
76. And after the 18 days of fasting, how
Yeah.
much it is now?
It is like went down to 69.
69.
And it got up
So,
a little bit.
only 7 kilos you lost in 18 days.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
This is very, very important factor we have to think about, that even after doing 18 days of fasting, you are not gone down as per your BMI, whatever your weight required, that has stayed.
Yes.
Whereas those whoever is obese, they reduce very fast, isn't it?
Okay.
So that is the beauty of Shivambu. Okay, that doesn't allow you to go below your body mass index.
Yes. No.
Yeah.
I felt very good about losing the weight, and it didn't go to no way.
Yes. So we have integrated Shivambu therapy along with certain naturopathic as well as some yogic
Yes.
modules. So how was the day?
Yeah. It's very nice to have a structure.
Yeah.
It is very nice to get up early in the morning and do a body exercise. Very important to bring consciousness into your body while you're doing the exercise. You focus on your body, so it's very important, and also bring oxygen in the body.
Yeah.
Like working on the joints is important.
So everyday body massage you enjoy?
Yeah, the body massage is very. I think
what,
it's.
What about Bhugarma? Bhugarma?
Yeah,
Earth
the body massage is, I think, very good for the lymphatic system.
Yeah.
It will move the lymph very nicely, and the earth bath is amazing. I mean, like it's just, it's going back to connection with the deep connection with the earth, and it relaxes you in a different way than I've ever experienced in my brain. My I think it goes in some kind of theta brainwave, or it's another type of relaxation that I have no words.
During your stay here, you must have seen many other patients suffering from different ailments.
Yes.
So, how do you feel about them? Have you seen the changes in their bodies by practicing Shivambu?
I have seen, yes, I have seen that many of them felt much better after some time. I wish for them to do the longer fasts sometimes. When they have really big problems in their body, I believe it's good if it's possible. I mean, if the person is too thin, then you can do longer fast. But if they can, it would be more advisable, for my opinion. I mean, like.
What about the nature? Did you enjoy the nature?
Yeah.
There may be so many birds, everything.
It's very much part of the whole thing that you're surrounded by beautiful. As you sit on top of the hill, you have the view over the beautiful nature, and you kind of absorb the sounds of the birds, and you watch the monkeys in the trees, which is for us is very unusual to see monkeys.
Did you talk to so many birds?
Yes, they were pretty busy.
Yeah, very nice.
No, I think that the fact that it's in the nature is very positive on the whole results.
Many patients, before coming down to Anandkunj, they inquire about whether there is a air conditioners or not. Do you feel, is it required air conditioners here?
No way, no. It was absolutely not required. Everything is done with a fan, and that's completely enough.
So morning and evenings you enjoyed the pleasantness of that nature.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So 18 days of fasting was really a good penance you have done. So wish you all the best and very happy health future ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you.